him with the Hello darlings, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Sadicka, and for those of you that are already subscribed, welcome back. You already know what it is. Thank you so much for staying tuned for another one and being part of the fam. So I've decided to film part 2 of my fashion video talking about the Met Gala After Party looks, and boy, some of them were cute, they were slaying, and some of them were nays. Like, as I said in part 1, you should have stayed home in your bed or in the couch, because I don't know why you bother showing up looking like this. This is just not acceptable. So the first look that we have here is Miss Hailey Bieber, Mrs. Bieber, and she was seen sporting this pink look on the red carpet, which I really loved. But this ensemble right here, I'm actually not really that huge of a fan. I understand that her red carpet look wasn't dressy to begin with, so I wasn't expecting anything too dressed up, but she looks like she needs to be walking down the beach. Like, what happened? I just think, nay, no. It just looks like she was rushing, her shirt's falling off, and it was like, oh, this is just gonna be the look because we've tried on too much things. Next up here, we have Miss Winnie Harlow representing for Canada. She looks amazing in this leopard print jumpsuit with the belt and the matching boots, and the hair is the wave, and the makeup, sis. Okay, you better. I definitely love this. I think she was slaying. She took a risk, but it paid off. It looks amazing. I definitely don't usually like leopard print on leopard print on leopard print, but somehow she found a way to make it work. So next up here, we have this actor who was in, I believe, Crazy Rich Asians. I went to go watch that movie and it was amazing. I think this was definitely a slay. Like, I love seeing guys take risks with some color or embroidery, and he definitely played it up here. He has his 2 chains on, looking kind of pimpish, but it's not overly done. I just think it's a cute look altogether. So next up here, we have Miss Janelle Monae, and she was seen wearing this dress which has the eye on the one boob. It's kind of just the like slimmed down, less exaggerative version of what she wore on the red carpet. I think her dress almost just kind of transformed. Maybe she probably had another piece on it, and that was what she wore on the red carpet. And I actually really like this look. She's wearing it with these cute little fun glasses. I love the lace-up boot. I think it's quirky, it's fun, it's out there. The black and white is classic, but it's also very Janelle Monae, and I definitely think that this was a slay. I love it. So next up here, we have Mr. Jared Leto, who is seen wearing this like purple blue reflective top with these purple pants that look like the inside of a British chocolate bar, and he's still carrying around this carbon copy of his head, which at this point I'm starting to feel like is very demonic and scary, and I'm over it. You had it for the red carpet, and that alone in itself was already doing too much, and now you brought it to the after party, and it's like, why? Is she for real? So you showed up as a chandelier to the red carpet, and now you're a burger. We have Miss Katy Perry here, who is dressed up as a burger. In this picture, she looks distressed, and that's how I feel about this outfit. And she has the little matching burger, like, shoes. This is a no. I get it that it's supposed to be camp, avant-garde, over the top, but you're literally a burger, and it doesn't even look juicy at that. Like, come on. No. Ooh, you better. Kendall Jenner is seen here in almost like this disco reflective type material of a skirt suit, I believe it is, and I'm pretty sure those are Yeezy shoes. Sis is slaying. She came off that red carpet looking all good with all those feathers, and now she went for something more sleek, more streamlined, and I definitely love it. So talking about the Kardashians, we have Miss Kim here, who is seen in this blue latex silicone somewhat material. I like the look, but I don't like the look. The little like sock boot shoe thingies look like Power Ranger. I'm not really here for the headpiece with the matching diamond piece that's coming down the middle. Like, she looks kind of stripperish and like a cheap stripper. And Kanye looks like he's just wearing the same thing from the red carpet though. So next up we have Miss Lala Anthony. I love it. She's wearing it with the perspex heels. She has her hair sleeked up, and sis, slay. I need this dress. Like, she just looks so amazing. I just love it. And I actually found 2 pictures of her. I found her in this $100 bill style dress with the boots, and I don't know if she had 2 outfit changes for the after parties, but if she did, then you snatched my wig off, and I ain't even got a wig. Ooh, like, this is everything. So next up here we have Miss Lupita in this blue satin red dress, thin eyebrows that need to be in the 90s, and these afro picks that are stuck in her hair. Why? Like, this makeup, sis, I understand the whole theme is camp, but I don't know who your makeup artist is. You need to fire them. This is horrific. How does your face look like that for the red carpet, for the after parties, for anything? No. Oh my gosh. This is a no. This is a no. You really disappointed me, Lupita. Ooh, so next up here we have Miss Regina Hall. Deck the halls off. She looks like a Christmas candy. Like, what are these fads? What is going on? And this jacket, why did you do this to yourself? I don't care how expensive this was, it's not cute. Did you think it was cute? Because no. So next up here we have Miss Zendaya, who after her Cinderella moment decided to change into a sleek black velvet suit, and sis, I'm here for it. You gave us 2 different types of looks in one night, and I love it. You went from a big poofy dress to a sleek suit, and you're slaying. Like, this looks amazing. The fit is amazing. She has a nice little pop with the bling on the shoes. Her hair and makeup is still slaying from earlier on in the night, and I just love it. So that is it for all of the looks of the after party from the Met Gala. I hope you guys enjoyed this fashion video. Please let me know if you guys have any video suggestions down below in the comments. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already done it. Like, come on, what are you waiting for? It's free. Join the family. If you don't have a YouTube, make a YouTube. Use your email, your mom's email, the neighbor's email. Make your cat an email. I don't know. Like, do something. Join. Watch. Press that bell button so you know when all my videos come through. I don't want you waiting, missing out. Why? It's fun. It's good. It's a laugh. Entertainment. Enjoyment. Be happy. No? Share. Yes. No? Okay, whatever. Thank you so much for staying tuned all the way to the end. I really appreciate all of you guys that subscribe, like my videos, watch them, share them, and all of that good stuff. Sending all of you guys some positive love and energy. God's blessings to you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I filmed another one right before I go to school. Wanna know the reality of my life? Time for school. I got chemistry class. Bye.